Hi, here I'm going to talk about solving one variable linear equations using two methods. The first method is one-step method and two-step methods. All right, it's a one variable linear equation. It's a one variable because you're going to see here on this equation, for example, the first one, you're going to see only one letter, which is x. You don't see another variable or letter like, for example, y. So you don't see two variables only. You see one letter. That's why we say one variable. Okay, one variable. We say linear equation. We say linear because when the power or the exponent of x is 1, for example, here as you see the exponent is 1, usually we don't write down 1, so we say linear. But if the exponent is 2, if the exponent is 2, if the power is 2, as you see here, we don't say linear, okay? It is not linear. The exponent should be 1 always to be linear, okay? However, we don't need to write down 1 because we assume there is 1 if we don't enter any number, okay? So now I'm going to show you how to solve one variable equation, right? Linear equation using one step. So the first step is we need to have x on the left side of equal sign to be by itself. By removing 8, we need to remove 8. How we do it? We cannot raise like that. We should use a algebra method, okay? To do so, just first copy x, bring it down, and also type in plus again, and type in 8 again, all right? Now we're gonna look for the opposite of plus 8. So the opposite of plus 8 is minus 8. Just type 8 itself here again, but the sign should be opposite here. So the opposite of plus is minus, right? So we should put minus, the opposite of plus, so that it can eliminate 8, right? Just type in equal, just the same equal. Now bring it down 20 as well. So next here, whatever you did on the left side of equal, this one, you're gonna copy and paste on the right side. Okay, I just copy the one I just enter here on the right side of equal sign. Okay, all right, bring this x down here again, x. Now type in plus 8 minus 8 is 0, right? Okay, equal, just type in this equal back. 20 minus 8 is 12, right? Yeah, 20 minus 8 is 20. Now you can put x equals 12. You don't need to write down 0 because 0 is nothing. So just type equal. So the value of x is 12. Right? Now you can check it by plugging the value of x, which is 12, and into the original equation, right? So x is 12. So in the place of x, just plug in 12, right? Right? Plus, say copy the originals. All right, equals, I'm just copy the top one, the original. So now you see 12 plus 8 is 8, 20. Type in equal and bring this 20 down. So you can prove that 20 equals 20. So the value to the left and the right are the same, right? Both are 20. So that way you can prove the value of x is 12, right? This is the one method of solving one linear variable equation. All right, now I'm gonna go to the second one. All right, the two methods to solve one variable equation, right? Here I said two methods or two-step method because it is two-step when you have two operations. Operation, let me explain what I mean operation. Operation includes like plus, minus, multiplication, and division, right? This is a division sign. So whenever you use those operation, and if we have two or more of this operation, we're gonna use two steps, okay? Especially if you have the multiplication and the division, we're gonna use two steps. I'm gonna explain to you now. All right. Now, as you see here, 2 times x. Really, 2x means 2 multiplied by x. Sometimes we put that. That's multiplication, or you don't leave the dots. Still, it's multiplication. All right, 2 times x plus 8 equals 20. That's how you read it. So we have here two operations. The multiplication here, multiplication, or you can put little x times for sure. All right, just 2 times x, but we don't do that. Just leave point or ignore the point. Okay, so 2 times x, there's a multiplication here, which is this one, and also we have addition, which is another operation, right? So we have two operations. So when we have two operations, we're going to use two methods. All right, now I'm going to show you the steps. First, as we did in the previous one here on the top here, as we did over here, you're going to do that steps here first, okay? Do first addition or subtraction first, okay, in the equation. All right, so now just keep 2x first. Keep 2x, all right, plus 8. So I'm going to do the same procedure I did previously, okay? So to eliminate 8, we need to minus 8. So the opposite of plus 8 is minus 8 equals 20, which I already did in the above equation. So whatever you did on the left side, on the left side of equal, you do the same on the right side of equal, okay? Minus 8. Copy to x again. All right, 8 minus 8 is 0. All right, sorry, my type. All right, equal 20 minus 8. Here is again 12, right? All right, so we don't need to really type in 0. 0 is nothing, so we leave like that. So we finish the addition computation here by eliminating 8. Now we're gonna eliminate next number 2, right? So to eliminate number 2, in the case of multiplication, we're gonna use division, right? 2x. Let me go down to it. So divided by itself, okay? So we're gonna divide 2 by itself, okay? 2 divided by 2, right? which is the reciprocal of 2, is 1 over 2. All right, so equal, on the right side of equal, 12. So whatever you did on the left side of equal, you're gonna do the same on the right side, okay? So divided by 2. I just copy this one and paste on the right side, okay? On the right side of equal. All right, so 2 divided by 2 is 1. You can put 1x. But usually we don't write down 1, you just leave. We assume x is 1x. All right, equals 12 divided by 2 is 6, right? All right, equals 6. So the value of x is 6. Again, you can check if our answer is correct by plugging the value of x in here, right? In the original equation. Okay, let's check it out. All right, 2 times the value of x here down, gonna be plugged here, the value of x, times 6, close parenthesis, plus 8, equals 20, right? So now 2 times 6 is 12, equal plus 8. I just copy the top one, okay? All right, 12 plus 8 is 20, equal, copy the top one again, 20. So we prove our answer is correct, right? 20 equals 20. So the value on the right and left side of equal is 20. So our answer is correct. All right. So that's how we're gonna solve solving one variable linear equation. All right. Thank you for watching. I just one point to explain to you that if any number on linear equation that's attached next to x, as is here on the second question, any value attached to x, when you see that, we're gonna use two-step method, okay? If you see any number attached to x, it could be multiplication like in this case, or it could be even division, you know. All right, divided, okay? When there's a division or multiplication as attached with x, we're gonna use 2 steps. But if there's nothing, any number attached to the x, you don't use 2 steps, you use 1 step. So any value that's greater than or less than 1, any value that's attached to x or divided by x, which is greater than 1 or less than 1, if you see that, we're going to use 2 steps, okay? Any number greater than 1 or less than 1, right? Thank you for watching.